Slow Wi-Fi in some rooms, strong signal in one place, weak in another. It is confusing. Should you upgrade to AiMesh or stay with a normal router? Let me break it down simply. First, understand the basic difference. A traditional router is a single device. It broadcasts Wi-Fi from one point. AiMesh is a multi-router system. It creates one large network using multiple routers. Traditional router coverage is limited. If your home is large, signal drops in far rooms. AiMesh solves this. It uses multiple routers to cover the entire home. With AiMesh, there are absolutely no dead zones in your home. Traditional routers lose speed over distance. Walls and floors reduce signal strength. AiMesh keeps speed stable. Devices connect to the nearest node automatically. This improves real-world performance. With a traditional router, you may need extenders. Extenders create separate networks. This causes disconnect and reconnect issues. AiMesh uses one network name, seamless roaming across rooms, no manual switching. Traditional router is easy to set up, plug and play. AiMesh takes a few extra steps, but ASUS has made it simple. Most users can set it up in minutes using the app. Traditional router is cheaper, one device, lower cost. AiMesh needs multiple routers, higher initial cost, but better long-term performance. From real user feedback, traditional routers work fine in small homes, but struggle in large or multi-floor houses. AiMesh is more stable for bigger spaces, especially when multiple devices are connected. Traditional router is fixed. You cannot expand easily. AiMesh is flexible. You can add more nodes anytime. Upgrade your network step by step. Both support modern features, like parental control and guest networks, but AiMesh offers better load balancing, better device handling, especially with smart homes. Choose traditional router if you live in a small apartment, you have fewer devices. Choose AiMesh if you have a large house, multiple floors, many connected devices. If you are still confused about which one to choose, write your situation in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay smart, stay connected, choose the right setup, and your Wi-Fi will finally work the way it should.